Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in this video you are going to learn how to create certificates of your painting competition and send to students on their WhatsApp. Now let's see what is happening here. So you have received a response in a form that is created by 𝗵𝗆𝗆 and you are collecting the information of students as well as the painting that they have made, right? Now after that the jury will decide which painting is best and you want to provide each and every participant of this competition a certificate of participation. So to create the certificate of the participation you are using Google Slides, right? And now you want to send those certificates to your students, and to do that you are using WhatsApp. Now in this process we have used 𝗵𝗆𝗆 to build the form. In place of 𝗵𝗆𝗆 you can also use any other form building application such as 𝗏𝗏𝗆 or Pabbly Form Builder. And to create certificates for your participants you have used Google Slides here, which is an online word processor in which you can create presentations and templates just like our certificate. And guys, WhatsApp, as you already know, is a very widely used instant messaging application and we are using it here to send certificates to the participants of the painting competition. So suppose that you are conducting a very big online painting competition and you have many participants here. So you have created a form with the help of, let's say, 𝗵𝗆𝗆 in which you are collecting the data, contact details and the paintings of your participants, right? Now as and when you receive all those things, you manually sort out the data of the participants and then create participation certificates for the participants with the help of Google Slides. Now you will create certificates for the participants manually with the help of Google Slides and then manually compile the message for each and every participant and attach the certificate link here and send on WhatsApp. So guys, this can be done, but this process can be very repetitive and tiresome for you. So what if I tell you that as and when you receive the response from 𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗆, a certificate get automatically created with the help of Google Slide and that same certificate get automatically delivered to the participants on their WhatsApp account. Yes guys, this can happen and this can be done by connecting these three applications. But the issue is there is no direct connection or integration present between these three applications. So to connect these applications, I am using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So guys, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software, and the best part of it is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge to make this connection between 𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗆, Google Slides and WhatsApp. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection between these three applications is going to work in real time. So guys, this is a form I have created with the help of 𝗵𝗆𝗆𝗆 to conduct this online painting competition. Alright, so you can see here is the form and here we are asking for the painting to upload here, right? So by this form students can participate in this competition and the jury will see the paintings when which they submit here, and then the competition will be conducted like this. And after this submission of this form, we'll provide them participation certificates. All right, so we'll going to provide the participation certificates on the WhatsApp account of the students. So here is the WhatsApp account of one student. So now I'll show you that I'll submit this form here on the behalf of a student who is participating here, and we will see if he receives the certificate on the WhatsApp or not. So I am filling this form like this. So I have filled the name as Rashid Khan and all the other details. Now let me upload the painting. So here is the painting. Let me upload this. So you can see the painting got uploaded here, and now I'm going to submit this. So the submission is successful and it is saying check your WhatsApp for certificate. Alright, so we are going to provide participation certificates in this competition on WhatsApp. So we'll see in WhatsApp. So we have received a new message in WhatsApp. Let's check it. And the message is this. It is saying, hello Rashid Khan, Congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the participation in painting competition. Alright, and here we have the certificate. Let me show you the certificate also. So this is the certificate of Rashid. Alright, so this is how it is going to work in real time. Now, you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here and the certificate without any manual compilation of this message and creation of certificate, just by filling a form here and submitting this form. So now let me give you the easiest steps by which you can also make this automation or connection between a paper form and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 5 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between paper form and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect paper form to Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and connect our paper form with Pabbly Connect. Step 2 is collect the data from paper form in Pabbly Connect. So in second step, we'll bring the data from our paper form responses to here in Pabbly Connect. Step 3 is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from template. So in the third step, we are going to create a certificate with the help of Google Slides here. And in the fourth step, we are going to save the certificate in Google Drive and create a shareable link for that certificate. And in the fifth step, we are going to send the certificate on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So, and at the final step, we are going to send the created certificate on the WhatsApp account of the participants. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is 360 dialog. So I'll tell you what 360 dialog is in later on in this video. First of all, let's jump back to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So guys, first of all, you have to open a browser and type Pabbly, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly here. From here, put your cursor on this products option and click on connect. So now you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. And I have already done this, so I'm clicking on sign in directly. So after signing in, you will find this all apps section of Pabbly. From here, you have to come to this connect panel and click on access now. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. To start working here, you have to create workflows like these, right? So these are the workflows I have created. So you can create similar workflow by clicking here on create workflow button. And here you can enter a relevant name to your workflow. So I have given the name as painting competition certificates from paper form to WhatsApp. Now I'm clicking on create here. So when your workflow get created, you will see these two things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new paper form submission and the action would be send competition certificates to WhatsApp. Alright, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger option and from the choose app, choose your application as paper form. After this, it will ask for the trigger event. So in this trigger event, select this new form submission and it will generate this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So by using this, we are going to connect our paper form with Pabbly Connect. So you have to copy this URL from here like this, and then you have to go to your paper form dashboard. So this is my paper form dashboard, and here I have created all these forms, and this is the form that I want to connect with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on edit here, and you can see this is my form, and in this above field you can see this after submission option. So go to after submission and click on success pages and redirects. So in success pages and redirects, you will find this option, integrations and webhooks. Click on it. And from this, you have to find webhooks option. So when you scroll down, you will find this webhooks option. So when you click on it, you will find this URL field. So here you have to paste the copied webhook that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. So paste it here in this field. So this is the field in which we have to paste. Alright, now click on add webhook. So you can see another webhook is added here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect. So in Pabbly Connect it is showing waiting for webhook response. It means it is time to bring the data from our paper form to here in Pabbly Connect. So to do that you have to fill another form that you have created. So I'm going to dashboard and I'm opening this form again, and we will open this form from here, right? And I'm going to fill it again. Let the name be. So I have filled the name as Rashi Pradhan and the age and all other things. Now I'm going to upload the painting. Right, so the painting is getting uploaded. So the painting is also uploaded here. Now I'm clicking on submit. So the submission is successful here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if it has captured something. So you can see in Pabbly Connect the data is captured something like this, and it is showing the value as Rashi Pradhan, which is the name of the student, right? And all other details it has captured like this. Now what you have to do is click here on this action window, and I'm going to apply one function by Pabbly which is called 𝑑ateTimeFormatter. So this is 𝑑ateTimeFormatter by Pabbly. So why we are using this? We are using this to fetch the current date because we need the date to put on the certificate. Alright, so to pull the date on certificate you have to capture the date here. So in this action event select this current date option and then click on connect. And then it is asking the format of the date, so you can use any format which you want. So I'm using this ddmm_yy format, and we do not want to include time like this in with the date, so I'm keeping it false only, and I'm clicking on save and send test request. So after clicking on that you will see we got the today's date. So we are going to use this date to put on the certificate. Now it is time for our next step, which is, let me show you. So we collected the data from paper form in Pabbly Connect. So the next step is send the same data to Google Slides for creating a certificate from templates. So now we are going to create the certificate with the help of Google Slides. Let's do that. So now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon and another action window will open up, and from this choose app, choose your application as Google Slides. This is Google Slides here, and in the action event you have to select this create presentation from template option and then click on connect here, and from this window select this add new connection, then click on connect with Google Slides, and here it will ask for the email ID by which your Google Slide application is connected. So select that email ID. Then it will ask for few accesses, which is completely safe. Click on continue. Alright, so you can see it starts showing connected. That means we are connected with our Google Slides. Now it is asking for the template presentation. So it is asking to choose the template which you by which you want to create the certificate. Alright, so when you click here you will find a list. So this is the list of all the templates or presentations I have in my Google Slide application. So I can show you. This is my Google Slides and I have created all these templates for different purposes. And the template we are using is this. This is the template we are using, and the name of this template is art competition template. Alright, so you have to find this template from this list. Let me search for it. Art competition, this is it. So map it from here only. Alright, after this it is asking for the title of new presentation. So you have to give the title for the certificate that is going to be generated. So you can give the name of the title on the name of the student who have participated. To do that, click here and click on paper form. So when you click here, you will find the data that we have collected from paper form like this. Alright, so click here on this field and click on paper form, and you will find the name of the person or student. So map the name And to make this title unique, because two students can have the same name, so to send the correct certificate, the title must be unique. So to make this unique, you can also map the phone number of the person also. So we'll find the phone number here, map this also. After this, it is asking for new presentations location. So actually it is asking the name of the folder in my Google Drive in which I want to save this certificate. So let me show you the drive. So this is my Google Drive here, and I have all these folders for different purposes, and the folder I am using to save these certificates is this art competition folder. So I have this folder, so I am going to save this certificate in this folder only. So you have to select the folder from this drop down list. The name of the folder is art competition, yes. So map it. Now it is asking for this name and date. So why it is asking this? Because let me show you the template. So here is the template, and in this template you can see we have this name in double curly braces, and here the date also. So why we have put these braces around the name? Because this is the variable thing which is going to change with every new certificate, because the name of the student can change, and also the date can change sometimes. So to get these things filled automatically, whenever a new certificate get created, you have to map the values of these two things here in Pabbly Connect. So to map the name, you have to click here and click on this paper form option. So you will find the name of the person, map it, and in the date option, you will find this date time formatter option by which we have fetched the current date. So click on it and you will find the date as well. All right. After this, when I click here on save and send test request, a new certificate will be generated. And this is the folder in my Google Drive in which it got saved, right? So let me click here on save and send test request. So you can see it starts showing this type of response, and it is started showing presentation ID. That means a presentation is created. Let's check in the Google Drive folder. All right, so you can see we have a new presentation or certificate created here with the name as 𝙃𝙖𝙫𝙀 𝘃𝙀. This is what we have mapped the name. So let me open this. And you can see in the place of name is 𝙃𝙀 𝘃𝙀 and the date is automatically filled here. Right, now it is time for our next step, which is to connect the Google Drive and make this certificate shareable. So I'm going to click here on this plus icon. And from this choose app, I'm going to select Google Drive. And in the section events, select this share a file with anyone option. All right, select this, click on connect. From here, select this add new connection. Click on connect with Google Drive. So from here, it will ask for the email ID by which the drive is connected. Select that email ID and give the required access. That is completely safe. Click on continue. And you will see the authorization is successful and it starts showing connected. All right. Now it is asking for the file ID. So here you have to map this ID, this presentation ID. So to map it, first of all, you have to toggle this map button to on like this, then erase this field. And from this Google Slides option by which we have created the presentation, click on it and map this presentation ID like this. All right. So now when I click here on save and send test request, it will generate some links. Let me show you. So here you can see the response is type is anyone, drive permission, role reader, and here are the links that we needed. And here is the PDF link which we are going to send to our student, right? All right, now it is time for our final step, which is, let me show you. So our next and final step is send the certificate on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. All right, so now we are going to send the certificate on WhatsApp. And to do this, we are going to use another application, which is 360 dialog. So now I'll tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. All right, so now in Pabbly Connect, click on this plus icon. And from this choose app, choose the application as 360, this application, WhatsApp by 360 dialog. And in this action event, you have to select send template messages. So now you guys are wondering why I am using this application. Actually, the thing is, to send messages on WhatsApp, you need to have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So 360 Dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp very easily. So this connect button will appear after selecting this action event. So click on it. And if you are making the connection with 360 Dialog for the first time, you have to choose add new connection. And if you have already made a connection before for a different workflow, you can choose existing connection. So if you are first time user, let me show you the process of making the new connection first. So when you click on add new connection, you will find these two things, the API key and the domain name. So where you will find these two things? So you have to go to your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account and click on generate API key. So let me bring you to my 360 Dialog account first. So guys, this is my 360 Dialog account. You can also set up your own 360 Dialog account, and to do this, I'll suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description. So by using that link, you can also avail affordable prices to use the services of 360 Dialog. Alright, now here I am going to click on WhatsApp accounts. And here you will see this button, which is generate API key. So by clicking on this button, you can generate your own API key, then copy that key and paste it here in this API key field. And in the domain, you will get the domain while generating the API key, which will look like this. Alright, which will look like this. So paste that domain name here. And after pasting both of these things, click on save and your connection will be made. And as I already made this process before in a different workflow, so I'm going to choose existing connection and click on save. So as and when I click on save, you will see the connected button showing up, and that means our 360 Dialog account is connected here. Now it is asking for the templates you want to select. So what are the templates? Actually, let me show you. This is my 360 Dialog account, and here I am going to click on manage templates option. So what are these templates I have? Let me open up one for you. So guys, templates are nothing but the messages we want to send to WhatsApp. Alright, so to avoid spamming, you need to create a template first here in 360 Dialog. Alright, so to create a template, what you have to do, click here on add template, pull the name of the template, select the categories that they have, reservation update, or according to your need, you can select the category. According to your need, you can select the language, and also you can select the type of template. If you want to attach media, photos, you can select this. If you want only text message, you can select this. And here in the body, you can have the message, you can write the message that you want to send. After this, click here on this submit button, and after submitting your template, what will happen? Facebook, that is the parent company of WhatsApp, will review your template and get your template approved. Alright, so the standard time of approving the template is 30 minutes to 48 hours, they say, but typically it will be done in 45 minutes, I think. So after getting your templates approved, you can use all those templates to send messages on WhatsApp. Right now in Pabbly Connect, it is asking for which template I want to use. So I want to use the template which the name of the template is certificate link. So I'm going to search for it. This is it. So I have selected the template. So after selecting the template, you will see this namespace field get automatically filled. We do not have to do anything. In the language code, it will be selected automatically because we have only one language used for the templates, which is English, and this is the code EN for that. And in this field, it is asking for the recipient's mobile number, alright, or the student's mobile number to which we are going to send the message. So click here and you have to map the mobile number. So click here on this paper form option and you will find the mobile number right here. Map it. Also, you have to put the mobile number in this format. So +91 is compulsory here. So we have the 91 in the number, but we do not have the plus. So put a plus sign here and we are done. After this, it is asking for header document URL. So here you have to map the link of the certificate which we have generated in this last step. Here is the link. So we can map this link by clicking here and clicking on Google Drive. So here is the link, map it. And in this document file name, so you will find the name of the document also from the Google Drive. So this is the name of the certificate generated, map it. And then it is saying to enter the body fields. So what are these fields? So let me show you the template here. So this is the template we are using. And in this template, you can see this 1, 2, and 3 in double curly braces. So actually, these are the body fields we have in a template. So these are the variable things of the message. So as you can see, after hello, we are going to put the names of the students. So name of the students can be different. And after this successfully completed, we are going to enter the competition's name or what they have done. So it can be different if you have different type of competitions going around. And here after best regards, we are going to put the name of the organization, which can be same or can be different in different scenarios. So yeah, so to get these things filled in real time when you send the message automatically on WhatsApp, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. So first field is the name field. So map the name and you will find the name from the paper form response. So this is the name. In second field, let me see the second field is successfully completed the all right. So I'm going to put here. So in this second body field, I have manually write this participation in painting competition according to the template. So here it will show up, and in this body field 3, I have manually entered the name of our organization, which is Kalakriti Art School. Right now, after filling all these things, when I click here on save and send test request, this data will be delivered according to our template on the WhatsApp account here. Alright, so let me click here on save and send test request. Alright, so you can see it is showing this type of response here, and we have received a message on WhatsApp. Let's check it. And the message is showing, hello 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 congratulations, we are pleased to inform you that you have successfully completed the participation in painting competition. So these are the things I have filled here, right? 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 and participation, right? So the connection is working really fine here. You can see the certificate is also received. Let me show you the certificate, and this is the same certificate that we have generated, this one. All right, so the connection is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we selected paper form, then we connected it with the help of this URL. Then I have filled the form again to capture this data. After this, we applied datetime formatter to get the current date to put on the certificate like this. Then we connected Google Slide to get the certificate created with the help of this template, and we filled the required details to get the certificate right here. Then we connected Google Drive to make this certificate shareable with the help of link, and we generated a file link. Then we connected a 360 dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp, select the template and fill these details to be delivered as a new message. Alright, now just click on save here. Now let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can use this workflow or make this automation run 100 times in a month, because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks every new month. Alright, so if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to provide the link of this same workflow in this description, which you can clone in your own Pabbly Connect account. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. you can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.